Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a stock provider and immediately verify the license so you know what you can sell. Once done, pick images sized for eBay. Aim for 1,600 to 3,000 pixels on the long edge, because eBay favors large, clear images. Make sure to download the original files and save the license receipt. This protects you if a buyer or platform questions usage. Now open the images in your editor to prepare for customization and listing-ready edits. Next, you perform the detailed edits that make stock photos sell. Crop to eBay-friendly ratios and remove distractions so the product remains primary. Then you apply subtle corrections, color balance, exposure, and clean backgrounds. Because buyers expect accuracy, make sure changes comply with your license. Once edited, combine stock with your own photos or mock-ups to add authenticity and export high-quality JPGs. Keep a record of each modification and the original license. That documentation solves ownership questions later. Finally, you upload the images and optimize the listing. Craft a clear title and keyword-rich description, then upload the main image first and add alt text for accessibility and search. Make sure to attach or retain license documentation in your records and note any image edits in the listing to avoid disputes. After posting, monitor views and messages and adjust images or copy as needed. If you receive a takedown or rights complaint, act within 48 hours. Provide the license and edit history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.